Tracy here again from Dancers UK with this week's tutorial, which is to cake by the ocean. So, the introduction starts dead simple, hips, stepping out from side to side, and you clap. And then there's a bit where you go over the top and you smooth it down. Now you repeat that movement at various points through the track whenever you hear the dum, 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 dum. I'm not going to sing because I can't sing. So then and over the top and down. So that comes at various points throughout the track. Next bit goes the verse. Now for the verse we're going to walk backwards, but we're facing the side. And you go like this with your arms and you add your back as you walk backwards. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you step out and twist, step out, twist. And then you go back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, twist it, twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4, twist it, twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and twist, and twist. Now the next step is a tricky step. The bit for the pre-chorus, it's quite fast when we do it to the song, but for this I'm going to break it down really slowly. So what your feet are doing is you're going step, step, together. Step, step, together. Step, step, together. Step, step, together. Now when we do it in the song, it's faster. And you add a little bit of a sway to it. So you go, and step, together, and step, together, and step, together, and step, together. Let's try that again, even faster. So we go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Brilliant. Then you add rolls. You can do that easily. And then it happens again. Step, together, step, and cross, and roll, and roll, and roll, and roll. So that's the pre-chorus. Then that leads us nicely into the chorus. So the chorus starts, you step on your right leg, you pull everything over the top, arm and leg, and let your arm drop in. Then take it back out, other arm comes up, and you drop it in, all the way up, drop it in, all the way up, and drop it in. Then you step to the side, step, step, step. Then you do it again with the arms. Drop, and drop, and drop, and drop. Then this time, instead of going to the sides, you're going to go like a V step, forward, forward, back, back. So it's like the shape of a V on the floor. Then you're going to step forward. Now don't move your legs, just twist on your feet, round to face the back. Take your back leg, step forward, leave everything where it is, but just twist on the balls of your feet, round to face the front. That's quite tricky as well. So, let's do the chorus again. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it goes back to the verse. And all this. And the tricky step. And the tricky step. Yeah, with the rolls. And the clapping. And over the top. You know all the moves to be able to do Cake by the Ocean. All you have to do now is practice the tricky bits, and I'll see you in class next week where we can give it a go. Bye for now.